Hi everyone, this video is going to be about adding three two-digit numbers together, and I'm going to show you a couple of strategies, and I'm going to attempt to do two different equations in my time frame here. So let's start off with the first equation, 16 plus 23 plus 42. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a tens and a ones chart. And that way we can organize our tens and our ones together when we're drawing our picture. So let's start with 16. We're going to draw one 10 and six ones. You're going to notice when I draw my ones, I'm not just going to keep going across. I'm actually going to make them in a group of five. And that's going to help us when we get down to the end and we have to figure out if we can make a new 10. Let's do the next number, 23 and then 42. Now that I have my picture drawn, I can look at my ones. We always start with the ones. We go right to left when we're doing adding or subtracting in math. So we're going to look at the ones, and we can see here very easily that we have 10 ones. We're going to cross those off and make a new 10. Now we're ready to figure out the answer. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have 1 over here. So the answer is 81. I'm going to try to quickly show you the number line strategy. I know it might be a little bit messy with me using my pen, so just bear with me. So for the number line strategy, the kids have learned we're going to start with the largest number. We're going to put that first on the number line. That would be 42. The next thing we're going to do, and I'm going to just kind of draw lines. We don't get mixed up with that 81 up there. So I'm going to look up here and I'm going to break down the number 23. We can break that down into 20 plus 3. So I'm going to jump 20. And this is something where the kids are going to have to know their place value skills. So we know we're going to add 20 to the 40, and that's going to give us 62. So we've used the 20. Now we're going to add 3 more, and that would be 65. And then now I'm going to break down 16 into 10 plus 6. So I'm going to do add 10 here. We're going to say 65 plus 10 more. We know if we underline the tens place, we're going to add 1 more to that, and that would be 75. And then I'm going to do plus 6. And this is where we can just do our counting up strategy. We can put 75 in our head, 75, and then use our fingers. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. So we should end up with the same answer as our other strategy. Let me quickly show you one more equation because this one's a little bit different. I'm going to do my chart. We're going to start with 31. We're going to do 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I tell the kids that even when I'm doing it, I count out loud to make sure I have not forgotten a number. And then 29. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to go to our ones and see if we can make a new 10. We have 10 there. We're going to make our new 10. We don't quite have 10 down here, so we're going to have to leave that there. Let's see if we can actually make a new 100. If we look here, we can actually make a new 100. So I'm going to add the 100 to the chart. We can make a new 100, and we do a square to represent the hundreds. So our 100 would be 108. So our answer would be 108. I think I'm going to run out of time to do the number line for this one, but I wanted to just show everybody just a couple of our strategies to do our three two-digit numbers.